Posting images and short videos of complicated products on Instagram is increasingly become monotonous for social media enthusiasts. Your audience would love to see something new, creative, and out of the ordinary during your promotional efforts. You can take advantage of this urge to showcase photos of your back of the house in which you display images and short videos that are hardly ordinary amongst your competitors. These could include production processes, managerial activities, or even packaging your finished products. It's noteworthy that displaying images and videos of your back of the house gives you a competitive edge over your competitors who bore their followers with ordinary pictures. The use of back of the house images on your Instagram page also wins the trust of your followers. While your consumers may find satisfaction on your finished products, it should be noted that they might not be immediately comfortable with their production methods and processes before you show them how your products are arrived at. This happens a lot with food products that's perishable. What is more, cleanliness must be emphasized at all times when dealing with cooked fruit products. The implied that the consumers of such products are always uncertain of how their products are prepared despite getting the desired satisfaction from consuming them. Therefore, giving your audience evidence of the manner in which your products are prepared wins their hearts, and you are hence expected to create more loyal customers from this slot.